Okay, so what I want to talk about now is to set you up, okay, and get ready for the experiment that everyone's going to run. Okay, so everybody realizes that you're going to have groups of 4, okay? All the different apparatus are set up. You have the computer, you have your data probe. This is the Go motion sensor. Everybody's got, okay, a pendulum, and there will be some adjustment, okay? Everybody's going to do a specific height, a specific length, and then you can choose a different length. Everybody can choose a different length, okay? Now, I'm going to show you briefly how you're going to run the experiment. Everybody's used the computer. We've toyed around with the Go motion, and now that we're using it with the pendulum, I'm just going to show you some of the finer points, but at the same time, you're going to learn for yourselves how one thing works and one thing might not, okay? So I'm going to take a measurement, okay? And I'm not going to tell you how to do this. You're going to figure this out for yourself. I'm going to take my measurement here, okay? Then I'm going to take my measurement over here, right at the Go motion sensor. Don't hit it. Don't knock into it, okay? And I'm going to take my other measurement here, okay? I've got my 2 numbers. I'm going to make sure my sensor is all set up and my graph is all ready to collect data, and then I'm going to start it and release it, okay? And you can hear it? Okay. So that's the data, okay? And you figure out how fast you want the data to go. You figure out how much data you want. But what you're going to do is you're going to do 2 different lengths, okay? Because that's what the timing and the speed of the object determines. When you look at the data on the screen, you're going to see position versus time. You're going to see velocity versus time. And you're going to see acceleration versus time. We're not too concerned about acceleration. What we are concerned about are what? We're concerned about the 2 measurements I took here, okay, from this point up to this point. You tell me what they are, okay, and then we know that if we let this go, the thing starts moving, right? And how do we determine if all of this potential energy turns into kinetic energy? And it's all kinetic here, because there's no difference in height anymore, okay? So that's what I want you guys to figure out. Break up into your groups, and I'll come around and make sure everybody's got their assignment, okay?